Hello and welcome, Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, today presenting you with this fabulous looking Jaguar F-Pace. This particular example is the F-Pace S 3-litre V6 diesel 300 PS all-wheel drive in a fabulous Corris grey metallic colour. Key equipment highlights will include a large imposing front grille with LED daytime running lights as well as automatic xenon headlights. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Large alloy wheels, sliding panoramic roof and privacy glass are some of the key features you can find on the side. Inside the cabin, plenty of legroom and headroom for 3 passengers, with upholstery being finished in ebony black leather. Additionally, optionally upgraded heated rear seats will even put a smile for your passengers in the back, and that sliding roof will let in plenty of natural light. Large twin exhaust pipes and LED taillights will complement the look, whilst the cavernous boot space is ideally practical for a week's worth of shopping. You can always fold down the rear seats and close the boot at a simple press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front will also unlock a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, digital driver display, and the front seats will offer additional comfort thanks to them being electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this F-Pace, there will be plenty for you to enjoy. Beautifully crafted cabin adds to the overall ambience, and also driver control panels will feature 3-way memory function for seating, and even there's an upgraded Meridian sound system for the music lovers amongst you. Heated steering wheel is a great companion for the winter months, and the driver digital display is an absolute joy to use. You can personalize the look, change the look of the dials, and also control various vehicle assist safety functions such as those displayed on the screen, and change the display, for example, to show you a torch effect which minimizes the look, which is great for nighttime driving, or when traveling on unfamiliar roads, full satellite navigation. Additionally, various drive modes are also available depending on the situation. Rain, ice, snow will offer additional grip and confidence. Eco mode will prioritize fuel efficiency, whilst the dynamic mode will unlock a more sporty, spirited drives with its own bespoke driver display. In the center, the 10-inch Touch Pro system will benefit from the likes of built-in satellite navigation with 2D and 3D views, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone as well as audio media, as well as AM, FM and the DAB digital radio receptions. The iDynamics function will also allow you to optimize the feel of the vehicle even further, and there's full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces. To ensure you help you park, there's a reverse parking camera which comes with a wide angle view, fully complemented by front and rear parking sensors. As we move down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system will be available, along with a heated front windscreen ideal for those frosty mornings. Deep center armors will feature additional USB connectors, and the sliding panoramic sunroof with electric sunshade light is an absolute joy to use, featuring a tilt function or a fully sliding reclining band as well. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace S all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists, either by calling the number listed in the description, or better yet, just follow the link that's attached to the video. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.